Hello friend, good evening. So in this video we will learn how to show the profile elevations on the road layout. So this is our road layout H1, H2, H3, and we have the profile here H1, H2, and H3. These are profile regard of this road layout. So let's begin from H1 road. So go to the points, create point alignment, take the measure alignment. So this file's open also here. So let's select the alignment. So here select profile for H1 row. Let's select what we need. This is showing the OGL and PGL. So we need the PGL. Select PGL, make it OK. Then create measure align, start standing, make it default 0, end station is 895, make it the same, offset we don't need, we need on center line elevations, internal we need 10 meters, make it default, make a escape. Let's see. So these showing the road profile, these road over profile grade elevations showing in the road layout. For this purpose, for example, we need to make the gradient plan, so we can make gradient plan through this method. So the center line elevation showing here, we can also show our right hand side and left side of profile elevation. They will same method we will apply. Go to the measure align, select the alignment, select PGL, enter, then again enter, offset no need, enter 10. Sorry, select align, PGLs, OK, section 0, 895, OK, offset. Here offset we need, we have 3.65 meter road track, make it 3.65. If we need right side, we make 3.65. If we need left hand side, so we can put minus 3.65. Internal section is 10 meter we need. So showing also right side is elevations. There is another method to show for making the gradient plan, but this is the easy method. We can show our profile grade elevations on the road layout. So later on we can select these levels and export into Excel. Then we can make the slope crossfall. Let's suppose we have 2% slope, so 2% we can make 3.65. so what slope will come, so we can minus from these levels, so then we can import through these points. We can import same file for these levels. So for grading purpose, this is very easy method. Hope you will enjoy this video. So like and subscribe us for our new videos. So thanks for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.